Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you what SOS means on your iPhone and how to fix it. Now, if I swipe down from the top right, it says SOS only at the top left, and it might say no SIM. And here you can see SOS. Now let's walk through what that is in your settings. So tap on your settings here. And within the settings of your iPhone, let's scroll down and you can see emergency SOS. Tap on that. And it says basically you can press and hold the side buttons to make an emergency SOS call. So when you have SOS at the top right, that means you don't have normal cell function on your iPhone. The only signal that you have is the SOS or emergency call, where that you can make an emergency call to your contacts or even through satellite and do a satellite call in the case of an emergency. So essentially that SOS means that you don't have cell signal on your iPhone. One easy way to be able to fix that is to swipe up to the top here and is to tap on cellular right under Bluetooth. Now some people might have an eSIM or an electronic SIM card, or some people might have a physical SIM card inserted into their iPhone. If you have an eSIM here, you can see, let me turn this line on real quick. All you need to do, and an easy way to be able to fix it, is where it says turn on this line, let's toggle it off just to disconnect this eSIM. And then we're just going to go back in here and turn it back on. You'll be able to see at the top right, as I turn it back on, I'll start to get those bars at the top right, indicating that I now have signal. If I swipe down, you can see it should usually say AT&T here, and the SOS disappears. Now, keep in mind, this is the equivalent of physically removing the SIM card and inserting it back in. So if you have a physical SIM card, just remove it and put it back in. If that still doesn't work for you, let's tap the back arrow. And at the very beginning of your settings, you can see at the bottom is General. Let's tap on the General option. And then scroll down towards the bottom until we get transfer or reset iPhone at the bottom. Tap on that, and then we can tap on reset here, and you're going to reset your phone, but we don't need to reset everything, just the network settings, because again, the SOS or SOS only means that you don't have good network settings. So tap on reset those network settings, and then enter in the passcode for your phone, and it will just reset those. See if it works at that point. If it still doesn't work, the next thing I would recommend doing that almost always fixes it is a hard restart or reset on your iPhone. To be able to do that, we're going to press the volume up, press the volume down, and then press and hold that side button until we see an Apple logo. So I'll show you how that works. Volume up, volume down, and press and hold that side button. Keep in mind, it says slide to power off, but I'm just going to keep holding it, even though the iPhone will go black here in a second. There we go. It goes black. I'll keep holding it until I see the Apple logo appear. When I do, I can release my finger, and it will do a hard restart on the iPhone, fixing SOS. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.